Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego flower. So I'm going to take it apart so I can show you how to build it. So now that I've taken everything apart, let's arrange it. We have one 2x2, one 2x3, one 2x2 slope that is green, one 2x2 red slope, one 2x3 inverted slope, one 2x3 regular slope, and one 2x2 inverted slope, and some 1x2s. So this is what we've got. Now it's time to build our flower. First, we'll need our 2x2 slope that is green, and we will need to place some pieces on top. For our stem, like this. So it should look like this. Next, we're going to need to add some slope pieces. So let's place our slopes that are inverted like this. Then let's place our leftover bricks and then put the rest of the slopes on top. So let's flip this one over, put this one on top. And that's how you make a Lego flower. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.